Hello dear friends, welcome to Legendary Programmers YouTube channel. I'm Mohammad Mahdi Farhadi and I am so interested in helping people, especially programmers. Hence I created this channel yesterday and you see there's no subscriber yet, but it's not a problem. We will start tutorials and we have Telegram channel and Instagram page, but the main tutorial videos are here in YouTube. It's the best way for educational works is YouTube, and we are a bilingual channel and we will put videos in both English and Persian language. The videos are just different in language. I think we will start with Python, and after that Git. I think it's necessary for each programmer to know Git, and after that is all depend on your decision to go to another programming language or work with a Python framework. I use PyCharm text editor for Python, and I recommend it for all of you. It's make your life easier, and I will come back soon with first Python tutorial video, and goodbye.